But I can't find my book.
Tu l'as pas trouvé? You didn't find it? We need
I
it.
will find it. I think I'll find it later. عشان هلا it's probably in my other bag, but I can't get it up there. So I'll wait until
Okay.
my mom wakes up and she can give me.
Hassan, bonjour. Hassan Fouani. Okay. Je commence. I will start. Okay. D'abord, dans ce texte, on va savoir quelques objectifs. Some objectives. Okay? Nommer les animaux d'un cirque. To know the different animals for circus. Plus, nommer les métiers du cirque. What they do, what jobs. Métier means work, job. What is your job? For each one, for each animal of the cirque. You understand? These two objectives, we have to know it today. Plus of this one, we have to know quelques instruments de musique. Instruments musicaux, oui? Linda, you ask me? Or Lamar?
No,
Lamar?
I think Lamar.
Lamar?
Yes, it's Lamar.
Bonjour Lamar.
Bonjour.
I miss you.
Me too.
You ask me? Okay.
What?
Did you ask me something?
No, I was just
Okay.
saying hi, Miss Farah.
Hi, Habibi. Okay. We go for la première page, les animaux. Okay, I will stop annotate and I will erase all clear. Okay, yeah, let's start. Le titre, le cirque des animaux. The circus or le cirque des animaux. Ça va maintenant? Ok. Bonjour Karim. Habibi, I miss you. Bon appétit. Qu'est-ce que tu manges? Des frites?
Noodles.
Noodles. Bon appétit. Ok. Yalla, je commence. Le cirque des animaux. Le titre de notre texte est Le cirque des animaux. The circus of the animals. Loup, Elio et Bidule. As we know, the three characters, les personnages sont, as we know them, Loup,
بس لك شوي
oui,
شوي
Ali.
بس روحي بدي اجيب الهيومن ترانسليتر لإلي ماما تعي
Already I translated.
نعم
Miss, I'm back. I'm sorry, there wasn't internet.
Loup, Elio et Bidule se promènent dans la forêt. They are make a ride in the forest. Tout à coup, suddenly, un magnifique cheval blanc s'arrête devant eux. Suddenly, a wonderful or an amazing horse, white horse, stopped beside them. Tout à coup means suddenly. Il commence à parler. The horse starts saying, talking to them. Bonjour, he say bonjour. Suivez-moi, follow me. J'ai une surprise pour vous. I have a surprise for you. Les trois amis le suivent sans hésiter. The three friends follow the white horse without hesitate. Mais où vont-ils? Where are they going? Où vont-ils? You have to know now where the horse take them. Le cheval blanc. Where? Who can tell me? Où vont-ils? Lamar, can you tell me où vont-ils? Where they go?
They went hiking.
Hiking. No. Alice Kaike.
To see the how they do in the
Miss, to the forest.
To the what?
To the
Circus.
forest.
Who says circus?
Me,
Who's you?
Linda.
Linda. Bravo, Linda. Because our title is Le Cirque des Animaux. So, this horse take.
Hi, good morning, Miss.
Bonjour, Ali.
Bonjour.
Habibi, I missed you.
I miss you more.
Habibi. Ok. Les trois amis vont aller au cirque des animaux. They are going to the circus. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. Next page. This one, did you see the red one?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
This one, this red. This one. C'est la
Miss, is it the
brochure.
invitation?
C'est la brochure. Each circus or any show we have a brochure for it to know the
Procedure.
Miss, is this the invitation?
yes, it's like invitation, okay? This one, like if you have some show, before the show we have like a paper of ads.
Like everything. Where do
Like
you
at
go?
what time does
What time does the
what time does finish, where we can buy the tickets. Okay? طيب. Retrouvez sous le grand chapiteau des animaux sensationnels. You can find under the grand chapiteau. Grand chapiteau means the big tent of circus. Do you know the circus inside a tent?
Yes, a big tent.
Yes.
The big
Yes. Big tent that they perform inside it.
c'est chapiteau.
Yes.
C'est les grands chapiteaux.
Related to the circus.
Yes. Jean, l'époustouflant, éléphant trapéziste. The elephant, his name is Jean. Il est trapéziste. You know trapéziste? You know the swing, this one in air? The high swing.
No.
In circus, we have high swing.
Oh, okay.
You know it?
No.
Okay. After this one, the next slide, we have to see what is trapezist, okay?
Okay.
Okay, listen to me. Look where is trapezist. I will go to show you.
Miss, what is trapezist?
Okay, listen to me. Did you see where is trapezist?
Yes.
This one.
Oh, performance.
Yes, this one. Did you see?
Trapezist is performance.
Yes. And trapezist. Who is un trapezist?
So, Miss, trapezist is the performance?
Oui, l'éléphant est un trapéziste. This one trapéziste. L'éléphant est un trapéziste. Okay?
Okay.
Okay.
Oh, this is the swing.
I will complete. Paf, little non giraffe, you know bull. What does it mean? Paf. La girafe. La girafe, her name is Puff. Elle est funambule. Look like
Is
funambule.
what do we call it? A giraffe.
Yes, la girafe est une funambule. Did you see this one?
Which one? Oh yes.
This one. C'est la
Yes,
girafe.
yes.
Okay? You understand?
It's called a tightrope.
Okay.
Miss, do we have to? Miss, I have a question.
Oui.
In the fourth slide, do we have to memorize it in our heads? Is
No,
it gonna be in the quiz?
You have the text beside you.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
I thought that we need to memorize it in our heads.
No, you have the book. You have the
And
text.
Miss, and how many hours is the quiz gonna stay?
I think it's open till 6.
Oh,
And what time does it start?
At 3.
3.
Okay, thank
And
you.
it ends at. Oh my God.
Okay.
no time.
Yalla, je continue.
Miss,
Okay.
at what time does this meeting end?
This meeting ends at 2:40.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Thank you.
But here.
I will complete. Calou, l'élégant kangourou jongleur. So the kangaroo, his name is jongleur. Il est, pardon, le kangourou, il s'appelle Calou, il est un jongleur. What does mean jongleur? This one. C'est le jongleur. Look like a clown.
He's juggling.
This one, jongleur. Did you see it?
Yes, he's
Okay. Il est un jongleur. Okay. Je continue. Big, l'excellent tigre, il est magicien. The tiger, he is magician. We know all magicians. You know the
Yes.
magician? The
Yes.
one who do magic. So Big, le tigre, il s'appelle Bigre et il est magicien. Magician. Moi aussi, les drôles de clown musicien. We have le lion qui s'appelle Gaston, les trompettistes. You know trompettiste?
Person who played trumpet.
Did you see trompettiste?
Mhm.
Yes.
Yes. That does that.
Qui joue de la trompette.
This is like doing this.
Yes, qui joue de la trompette. This one trompettiste. Encore.
The juggler.
Geneviève.
The juggler.
Autruche, guitariste. What does mean guitariste?
Juggler.
No, who can tell me what does mean
The
guitariste?
guy who's playing the guitar. The guy
Bravo! Bravo! The one who play guitar, we say guitariste.
Moi, je suis un guitariste.
Oui, guitariste.
Moi, je suis un guitariste.
Yeah, so it's called guitariste, so we can know it's a guitar because it seems like it.
Yes, it seems that, yes,
Yeah.
the same. Guitariste. And the same as Alain le Babouin, il est un accordéoniste. You know accordéon?
Yeah.
Accordion.
I know it's the guy who's like playing piano and
Yes, I will
doing
show it to
this.
you. I will show it.
Miss, he is like playing piano and doing this.
Accordéon, this one.
Okay, maman.
This one.
First one on the left.
Yes, first one on the left. C'est un accordéoniste. The one who play accordéon.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Maintenant, I will show you the animal of this cirque. Okay?
A baboon. Baboon?
Un
It's a baboon. It's a
Baboon.
baboon.
These are the circus animals.
A
Yes,
kangaroo.
this one, circus animal, yes. Les
A
animaux,
kangaroo.
oui. Les animaux du cirque, un babouin,
Eh.
un kangourou, we know it. Karim, can you read? Or Ali Soghri?
Yeah.
Just pick one and read.
Un autruche? Did you see l'autruche?
أنا بتسألني أقرأ سمعت قشور.
Did you see l'autruche? Un éléphant?
أنبوش.
A giraffe? I think all of them are the same in English, right?
Yes.
Un
The
lion?
lion is the same.
Yes, un lion. Say it with me en français, s'il vous plaît. Yalla.
Un lion.
Un lion. Un tigre.
Antique.
Un
Un
tigre.
lion antique.
Oui. Un tigre. Yalla. On commence par la girafe.
Tattoo tiger.
On commence par la girafe.
Don't really want but I don't know how to say this.
How to say it what?
And the third picture, I don't understand it.
Qui parle maintenant? Lindas?
Yes.
C'est toi qui parle or Hadi?
What?
C'est toi qui parle? Is it you who's talking to me?
No.
Okay.
Miss Farah,
Miss
I have a
Farah?
question.
Asil?
Yes.
Hi, Habibi. What do you want? Say to me.
Nothing. Everything good.
Everything good? Okay. Yalla.
Miss Farah, I have a question.
Yes, Habibi.
Miss, in question 1, like number 3, كل son لحرس. I don't know, Miss. I didn't get it, but then I opened Google Translate and I didn't know what does it mean.
Which one?
Miss, any question 1, this one.
Can you show it to me? Can you do annotate?
Yes, this one. Did you see it?
No.
Miss, this one.
Can you read it? Ali, in which slide?
Miss, it's in question 1. Miss, there's like in question 1, there's the text, the animals, the last one, under the animals. Quels sont les oreilles du spectacle?
Okay. We didn't reach this one.
Miss, I didn't get it, but then I opened Google Translate and got it.
Okay. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay, I will start this one. Lou, Elio, et Bidule visite les loges du cirque. They visit the different rooms of circus.
Okay.
Dans sa roulotte, Paf, la girafe funambule, se prépare. D'abord, elle s'habille. First, at room, a giraffe room. What does giraffe do? D'abord, elle s'habille. She's wearing. Did you see la girafe?
She's doing her makeup.
Yes, she's doing her makeup. Bravo. D'abord, elle s'habille. Puis, elle se coiffe. Then, what does mean se coiffe? Que veut dire se coiffe?
بتجهز تبوس ثياب.
Non, she brush her hair. She brush her. Brushing her hair, okay?
Brushing her hair.
Okay. Se brosse les dents. She brushing teeth. Enfin, elle se maquille. Then, she put her makeup.
Makeup.
Okay. Avant le spectacle, before the show, elle se repose et elle lit le journal. She take a rest and read a journal. You know journal?
Journal.
Journal, yes.
Journal.
Yes. Les trois amis se taisent.
Newspaper.
The three friends se taisent. They don't talk. Shh. Ask me now a question.
Not me.
Ça va? If I want to ask you, que fait la girafe avant le spectacle? Que fait la girafe avant le spectacle?
What time does it start?
What she do before the spectacle?
She prepares herself.
She prepares
What
herself.
pleasure?
What she's doing? Who can say
She's
to me
putting
in French?
makeup and she's putting makeup.
No, you can read it in English, please.
Miss, what?
Before.
I'm
ما بنعرف يا ماما، ما هي عملت المكياج وخلص.
You can say it in French, please.
قبل شو عم تعمل؟
cute.
La marche.
Action.
Qu'est-ce qu'elle fait la
Hey, Miss, I'm
girafe
trying
avant le
to-
spectacle? Elle se coiffe, elle se brosse les dents et elle se maquille.
شو يعني؟ ماكي يعني.
Maquille, make makeup.
شو معنى؟
Makeup.
يعني الكلمة.
Ok. Yalla, je complète.
The performer is like.
Yalla, je complète. Les spectateurs sont assis dans les gradins du chapiteau. Elio et Lou attendent avec impatience le début du spectacle. The spectators, they sat down on the gradin du chapiteau. Did you see les gradins? Where does the spectator sit down? On the gradin du chapiteau.
They sat down.
Long chairs on the sides.
Yes, this one. Elio et Lou attendent avec impatience. They are waiting the show with impatience, with excitement.
They're waiting for the show to start.
Yes, this one. Enfin, un élégant pingouin arrive au milieu de la piste, un micro à la main. Who start the show? Who start to present the show?
But what the penguin.
Bravo, Karim. The
The
penguin.
commentator.
Le pingouin.
Penguin.
Le pingouin, il a commencé à présenter le spectacle. OK. Mesdames, messieurs, mesdemoiselles, bienvenue au cirque des animaux. Welcome to cirque.
Our show.
Yes, welcome to our show. Que le spectacle commence. Let's start our show. Let's start our show.
Show.
Okay.
إذا جابريت لأن مش جابري. أنا في
I will remove the annotation. Okay.
Miss Farah.
Oui. Who say Miss Farah. Hassan Fouane.
Oui, miss, علي سكايكي.
Ali Skaiki, oui.
Miss, يعني miss a quiz. We want to write in French or بس بدنا نختار.
You have to choose.
يعني بس هيك يعني بس بدنا نعمل choose بدناش نكتب شيء.
You have to choose. Okay? Alors, je continue.
Yes.
Le spectacle commence avec les éléphants trapézistes. Qui a commencé le spectacle? Who started the show? Which animal started the show?
The elephants and the rhino.
Les éléphants commencent le spectacle, oui. Le spectacle commence avec les éléphants trapézistes.
The elephants and the rhino.
Oui, c'est-à-dire les éléphants qui ont commencé le spectacle. On a 3 gros éléphants se balancent au trapèze. 3 huge elephants swing on trapeze. The trapeze, because they are trapezes, they are using trapeze. You understand?
Miss, the trapper is like this, the swings, like this swing.
Listen to me. This one trapeze. This one. Look to my look here.
Miss, it's like this swing that they have their legs.
This one trapeze. This one.
Oh, okay.
Okay, this one la trapeze.
Oh, the swing.
Hey.
Oh.
This one le trapèze. Okay. C'est Jean l'éléphant qui est le plus époustouflant. Jean l'éléphant qui est plus époustouflant. I will stop at this one. Okay. En bas, 2 hippopotames acrobates font des pirouettes sur de petits vélos. C'est Sam l'hippopotame qui est le plus amusant. We have under them 2 hippopotames. The most amusement, his name is Sam. Okay, so les éléphants ont commencé le spectacle. En bas, down of them, they have 2 hippopotames. The sum is the most amusement. Okay? Ça va?
Ça va.
Il y a des questions? Ok, je commence. Je continue? Because after 8 minutes, the Zoom will finish. 3 clowns arrivent sur la piste à la queue leu-leu. 3 clowns arrived to the piste, one after one, à la queue leu-leu. 3 clowns. Karim?
Yes.
Gaston le lion, Geneviève l'autruche et Alain le babouin. Who are the 3 clowns? Gaston, l'autruche, Gaston le lion, the lion, l'autruche et le babouin. The first one, le premier, joue de la trompette. The first one joue trompette. Who joue trompette? Who can tell me?
Is it the like
Who played trumpette?
the monkey?
No?
His trumpet
The duck?
Le lion. Did you see this one? I will annotate it. Listen to me.
مش الترومبت ماما هيدري هيك ماسك بيعمل هو عم بيلعب ما بعرف شو هالآلة.
The first one, le premier. Geneviève. Deuxième, 2. Alain.
هي الترومبت ماما مش هيك هيدي الحديد الطويل.
3. So, my question is, le premier joue de la trompette. Qui joue de la trompette? Who's the first one who played trumpet?
Qui a joué le trompette?
The duck.
Le lion. I put one beside it.
بس هي مانا trompette.
The lion.
Qui est le deuxième qui joue de la guitare? Qui joue
The
de la
lion.
guitare?
Ah non.
Qui joue de la guitare?
C'est Geneviève, l'autruche. C'est l'autruche.
L'autruche. Merci, Miss Layal.
Chou. ضاعت. L'autruche, regarde ici. Il y a beaucoup d'instruments et les animaux. شو عم بتقولي؟ Regarde ici, regarde.
regarde,
شو. Look. The animals. They are playing music. Ils jouent de la musique. Each animal he has his own.
Miss Farah.
Oui, Assil.
When is the quiz and when will it end?
Après 5 minutes. Did you see? Ici.
Yes.
Le babouin. We have
the quiz.
On a 3 animaux. Le babouin, Alain, joue sur son accordéon. Le lion,
Yes.
avec sa trompette. L'autruche, avec sa guitare. Did you see?
Yes, I saw.
On a ici 3 animaux.
The quiz will start at 3 and it will end at 6.
At 6, I think. Okay. Chaque animal a son instrument. Each animal has instrument. Le lion joue de la trompette. L'autruche joue de la guitare. Et le babouin joue de la accordéon. D'accord? Ça va?
Oui.
Ok. Karim?
Oui.
C'est clair?
Tiens, c'est clair. It's clear. Oui, c'est clair.
Ok. Et là, je continue?
Oui.
Oui.
Mesdames, messieurs, mesdemoiselles, voici maintenant notre numéro spécial. Applaudissez Bidule, l'homme canon. Que veut dire applaudissez? Applaudissez, c'est-à-dire clap your hands. Applaudissez. Type. Listen to me. Before ending the Zoom live, all you have to know, les instruments de musique, les animaux et quels sont leurs métiers. D'accord? Qu'est-ce qu'ils travaillent?
At least.
You understand?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So, bonne chance for your quiz. And if you have question, ask me.
Miss, what time does the quiz start?
At 3.
3.
Oui.
Okay.
It ends.
Okay.
We think it ends on 6.
On 6.
Oh,
Au revoir.
Bye.
Bye.
Au revoir.
Bye.
Bonne chance.
Bye, Miss.
Merci. Bye bye.
De rien, Habib.
Bye.